I'm going to show you guys the Loddie Doddie liquid chalk markers. You're going to get the 8 count. What I love about these, just so you guys know, is that they have the reversible tip. So you can do a bullet point or you can do like a chisel. All you got to do is pull it out and twist it around. Now, just like any of the other Loddie Doddie chalk markers, you want to make sure before these are used, you shake them up very well and go ahead and push down on the tip. I usually do this onto a paper towel just so that when it starts coming out, it doesn't go everywhere. Then I'm going to go ahead and, as you can tell here, I'm just going to decorate this chalkboard. This is for a baby shower. The colors go on nice and bright. That's one of the reasons that I use the Loddie Doddie chalk markers. These are just something that I really like. They create the precise lines. It can work with detail work, and I love the colors. These are very vivid, and they're like a spring, summer kind of set of colors, so I like them. As you can tell here, again, really easy to go ahead and just outline what I want, color it in really quickly. I usually like to let this dry before I go ahead and set it up just because I don't want to hit the kids running into it. And you can end up using these markers over and over again for various events. It turned out fabulous. What do you think?